Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is November 17th, 2022. Today, city game. Things in a city. 10 questions. Number 1. What is it? Answer. It is a... Here's a picture. It is a... If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Swimming pool. It's a swimming pool. And we have a bonus question. Sometimes a person works at a swimming pool and saves people if they are in danger. Lifeguard. Number 2. Bob's daughter goes to... This is after elementary and after middle. High school. Bob's daughter goes to high school. Another bonus question. High schools have a party when they graduate. It's called the high school prom. Prom is short for promenade. Number 3. This is a place where a man or a boy can get a haircut. Here's a picture. These two gentlemen are both getting a haircut. Barber shop. It's called a barber shop. What's this one? This is beside a street or a road. Here's a picture. It's this part here where people can stroll or amble. It's called a sidewalk. Sidewalk. It's called a sidewalk. Number 5. They want to buy something. They will go to a... This is a big place with many small stores and shops. And this is the American spelling. Shopping center. Quickly, shopping center. They'll go to a shopping center. Jennifer will go to a... This is a place for women to get a haircut. Here's a picture. It's the same as a barber shop, except it's for women. Hairdresser. Jennifer will go to a hairdresser. Maybe she will get a haircut. Maybe she will get a perm. Maybe she will color her hair. Last Saturday, we went to an... This is a place with many beautiful pictures to look at. Here's one. There are many beautiful paintings and pictures on the wall. And the first missing letter is the first letter in the alphabet. Art gallery. Last Saturday, we went to an art gallery. Bob wants to mail a letter. He'll go to the post office. He'll go to the post office. We are driving on a... Here's a picture. It's not a concrete road. It's not paved, and it's not gravel. Dirt road. We're driving on a dirt road. You don't have to stop. It's only a... This is also when you're driving a car. Here's a picture. It usually looks like an upside-down red triangle. You don't have to stop. Yield sign. You don't have to stop. It's only a yield sign. Yeah, yield. In today's game, word number 6, hairdresser, is also a person that cuts hair. It's a person and a place. We are using the Spano vocabulary 8000. It is the 8,000 words that you need to be fluent. Game over. How did you do? 12 out of 10? Whoa, because we had 2 bonus questions. Very nice. What city do you live in? What language do you speak at home? Did you go to a swimming pool before? Do you go to high school now? Do you like to walk on the sidewalk? Do you think it's safe? Very nice. You're doing very well. My name is Vinny. I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.